In the name of Allah, the most gracious and eternally merciful. Faisalabad, formerly known as Lalpur, holds its position as Manchester of Pakistan, is the third largest metropolitan in Pakistan and second largest in Punjab. It acquires an overall literacy rate of about 60%. The heart of the city is the University of Agriculture, Faisalabad, a globally renowned educational institution. Its history dates back to 1906 when it was established as Punjab Agriculture College and Research Institute. With the time, achieving various milestones, it was finally upgraded to the status of a university in 1961. The university covers 1950 acres of main campus, state-of-the-art library, giant auditorium, expo center, and splendid infrastructure. The university has been ranked at 85th as per QS World University Ranking in Agriculture and Forestry. The UI Green Metric World University Ranking 2014 declared University of Agriculture, Faisalabad as 25th best university for campus sustainability and environment-friendly management. According to National Taiwan University Ranking, the university holds 97th position worldwide and 20th in Asia Pacific region in agriculture sciences. University of Agriculture, Faisalabad consists of 7 main faculties: Faculty of Agriculture, Faculty of Social Sciences, Faculty of Veterinary Sciences, Faculty of Animal Husbandry, Faculty of Sciences, Faculty of Agriculture, Engineering and Technology, and the newly established Faculty of Food, Nutrition and Home Sciences. The National Institute of Food Science and Technology is the main strength of Faculty of Food, Nutrition and Home Sciences. The faculty is engaged in imparting quality education in the domains of food science and technology, food safety and quality management, dairy technology, human nutrition and dietetics, home sciences, and allied disciplines. Currently, Professor Dr. Masood Sadiq Bhatt is the Dean of this faculty. The National Institute of Food Science and Technology in this faculty is the pioneer and leading institute in the domain of food science and technology in Pakistan. Over the years, the institute has established its repute as Center of Excellence in Academics and Research. It is regarded as the home of food scientists, technologists, and nutritionists. It was established as Food Technology Section in 1960 and captured the status of department in 1962. It was upgraded to the institute in 2003 and finally as National Institute in 2007, with the vision to be recognized as the prime establishment in the arena of food science and nutrition. The highly qualified and dedicated faculty members are the pride of this institute. The National Institute of Food Science and Technology comprises of several sections such as Nutrition and Food Safety, Fruits and Vegetable Technology, Grain Science and Technology, Oil and Sugar Technology, Dairy and Meat Technology, Food Microbiology and Biotechnology. Allied to these sections are various laboratories that have been developed based on the research scope. These include Grain Science and Technology Laboratory, Rheology Testing Lab, Food Testing Facilities, Food Microbiology and Biotechnology Laboratory, Nutrition and High Tech Lab, Food Safety Laboratory, Dairy and Meat Science Laboratories, and the latest establishment of Functional and Nutraceutical Food Research Section accompanied by the NutraCulture Lab. The institute is equipped with numerous facilities like Extrusion Center, Baking Plant, RO Water Plant, Fruits and Vegetable Processing Unit, Conference Room, Video Conference Hall, and the Technology Transfer Center. Moreover, industry academia joint ventures have been started with JK Agri Farms for bakery products, inaugurated by Her Excellency Mrs. Martin Dorrance, the French ambassador to Pakistan. Likewise, an agreement has been signed with Safe Life International for the production of RO drinking water. The institute has a range of high-tech equipment for delicate food analysis. The Faculty of Food, Nutrition and Home Sciences and its remarkable achievements have been appreciated by many esteemed national and international delegates. The faculty has extended its relationships by signing MOUs with various national and international organizations. The Institute of Home Sciences is also an important part of the faculty. The institute has contributions in strengthening the women empowerment in the society. Majors in this institute include food and nutrition, clothing and textile, human development and family studies, related arts, management studies and housing. This institute is also engaged in making women economically vibrant by providing technical training to polish their skills. In this context, the Women Industrial Home, a vital part of the Institute of Home Sciences, is involved in improving living standards of the society. The institutes of the faculty have a tradition to spread the advancements regarding food science and technology, food safety and quality, and human nutrition by arranging conferences, seminars, and workshops to equip the researchers with latest trends in the field. The national and international scientists participate in these conferences to share their experiences and extend the knowledge. The technical workshops are helpful in uplifting the hands-on training of the researchers and students. Alongside providing theoretical knowledge about food, the faculty is continuously engaged in arranging extracurricular activities for the students. In this context, product development competitions and food festivals have been arranged to express and reveal their skills in the sphere of food product development and marketing. These developed prototypes are evaluated by panels of experts from various segments of the society. Nevertheless, the institute provides the students a platform to actively take part in extracurricular activities to enjoy and illustrate their abilities. Students also relish participating in such activities as cultural nights and sports galas. Being a part of this faculty is indeed a blessing. May Allah open the doors of wisdom for us to strive for the betterment of mankind.